Hi, welcome to Hammer Wrench Renovations. The heat in the Mark VIII don't work. Blend door is not working. I've seen online you can put a zip tie on the blend door motor wheel because it's probably stripped out in there, and that is right in the dash behind the little monitor system. So I'm going to try to take it out. First thing I'm doing is you pull off your headlight knob, and then this piece should pop off. Now you can see that someone's had this off before. It's all 4 of the tabs are broken. But I gotta get this here and this here off. Those look like 7mm. There's also some Phillips head screws right up under here that I'm gonna take out. But everything I've seen, the blend door is actually right back there. You can put a zip tie on it. So I'm gonna take this piece out. I'm gonna take this piece out here so I can get access. All right, so I got the screws out, and you can see them, the panel, trying to get it pulled out, and it's not coming out because of this, that little automatic air vent there that pulls cabin air in. Got to pop this out first. Okay. Pops right up, and looks like 3 plugs and a hose. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that apart. All right, now for this one, I could only get a couple of the plugs out. Couldn't get that last one. It looks like this piece is just going to come right on out. Unplug these here. All right, so this is what you get once that piece is out. And so that little screen I'm gonna have to take out because right back in there should be the blend door. Can't see it yet, but I'm gonna pull this out. Now, these little screws do have a Torx head in them, but I'm going to use this 5.5 to get them out. All right, scratch that. Upon further inspection, these are the ones. These are still 7, just like on the other side. There's 2 on the bottom. There's 2 on the top. All right, so this comes out. I got this piece here out. Actually had to unscrew the little thing that was there. So let's come in here and see the blend door. Now, this is the blend door motor. See that arm? You can see that piece of plastic sticking up? How it's cracked? That's what's not getting turned. It's not turning that arm to open the blend door. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cycle it with the key. try something though while I'm in here and adjust this arm manually, because it was 19 degrees a couple nights ago. And I know for some folks that might not be a big thing. It's a normal winter ritual, but I'm down here in Savannah and it doesn't get 19 very often. Normally it gets below 30 degrees, maybe twice a year. But tonight we're on the 4th straight night of it. That is cold right there. And that should cut up. Well, I don't know that I want to take this dash off to replace it. Maybe you see how warm it will get by manually adjusting. Alright, so if the blend door worked and that bit right there was cracked, you see how I've fed the zip tie around the back? Now I'm going to close it up and zip it on there. There it is. Being my blend door actuator motor does not work, this isn't going to help. If your motor did work and that little bit there was broke, you can see the crack there. Then if your motor still turned, that would give it enough tension to spin that little arm lever there. So in this position, it's on all the way cold. And I'm changing it to from 60 to 90 degrees. You can see nothing has moved. Oh. Oh my. It did work. Well, well, well. People, I've got heat. I do. I've got heat in the Mark VIII. I had contemplated putting this car up for as cold as it had been, because just riding around on seat heaters wasn't working. And I was kind of just blown that I thought the motor didn't work, and so I was going to have to manually push it. But lo and behold, it's a Christmas miracle. The motor still works. I can switch from heat to cold. This took me 20 minutes, everybody. So I've been putting it off since this summer. And of course it's easy to put off when it's 100 degrees and you don't need heat. But as it's gotten cooler and cooler, seat heaters were enough, and then, you know, when it gets into 30s and 20s and even down to 18, it's like, yeah, I'm going to drive the Excursion. I'm not even getting in the Mark VIII because I need more than just seat heaters. So this fixes that. And I'm going to drive this to Charleston for Hayden's basketball tournament this coming week instead of the Excursion. Wow, I'm so excited. You can do it. It's a zip tie. It's a 7mm socket, a Phillips stubby screwdriver, and a trim tool to help you pop some of these plugs loose. Now I'm just going to put it back together and be done and be excited that I've got heat again. So thank you guys for coming along, hanging out, and getting to make the discovery at the same time I did, because I thought that it was what it was. Well, it actually is AC and heat now. So it's a Skip from Hammer Wrench Renovations, and if your hammer isn't working, use a wrench. I think I got that backwards. If your wrench isn't working, use a hammer. See you later. So this is what happens to 25-year-old plastic. Things break. It's time to fix it.
Am I sure that it goes in that trough? Or do I dip the tip of it in?
I'm not sure. Do you have instructions?
It's this, like...
In case you were wondering what that question Riker had was, he's starting to learn how to run lines.